Hi everyone, my name is Kemi Ibitoye. I'm an estate planning lawyer from Toronto, Ontario. I have Nick Wittek, an advisor with Sun Life, here with me today, and we're going to be having an interesting conversation. Welcome, Nick.
Thank you very much, Kemi. Thank you for having me on. I appreciate it.
Last question before we round this up is how easy is it to get the term life or any kind of insurance? Do you have to jump through the hoops to be able to apply, or is it pretty straightforward?
Yeah, so they've definitely simplified the process over the last couple of years. In the past, you would put in your application, no matter what age you were or how much you were looking for. You would have to do blood urinalysis and vitals. You have to go through. There's an on or a phone call medical questionnaire that you have to fill out, or that you have to go through with a third party. And then in some cases, they'll even do a attending physician statement if there's some kind of questions within the medical questions. They've simplified it a lot now. If you are, under the age of 40 and you're applying for $1 million term 10, there's a list of questions that I take you through while we're doing the application. Based on those questions, you could actually get approved right away. They do have approval now. If they do decide that you need to do the blood urinalysis or vitals, then they'll contact Dynacare. Dynacare will actually come to your home or your office, whatever's easiest for you. It's a quick 20-minute visit, and then they kind of run all of that blood work and your analysis just to make sure. But the great thing is, when you apply, really all you're doing is saying, here's all my information. Am I insurable? Right? While you're going through underwriting, you're fully insured. So you do have interim insurance while you're going through underwriting. So you do get to rest easy knowing that you've got that coverage set up. And then within 90 days, Sun Life will come back with yep, we're going to approve you 100% based on what Nick said. The premiums were exactly right. Everything else, would you like to move forward with it? If you choose yes, then the policy goes in force. They could come back and say, we do believe that due to your medical background, we're going to rate you, at which point you might have to pay a higher premium. And they'll say again, do you choose to move forward with it? If you choose no, then they just give you back all the premiums that you've paid and the policy ends there. If you choose yes, then you move forward with having to pay that higher premium and the policy stays in force. The last option is Sun Life could come back and say, I'm sorry, we are not going to insure you.
Wow.
But that is not the end of the road. There is other companies that I can then take that information out to and get you the coverage you want. And we will base a decision based on your budget, the needs, and ensuring that it's going to kind of fit both.
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much, Nick. It's been an amazing conversation. I mean, I'm glad, we're talking about this today because people really need to understand. People struggle to know the value and why they should have all these products, and especially with the mortgage and life insurance, the key difference that I learned from you today is one just pays out the mortgage and that ends it there, doesn't take care of the family. So thank you for sharing that, as well as also touching on, how you can, the uses of the term and what you can get out of the term insurance. And basically, bottom line is protect yourself. So, Nick, we're going to have you back again very soon. So can you tell everyone if they need to get a hold of you, how can they get a hold of you? Your number, email, please.
Yeah, so the email is Nicholos Wittek, NICHOLOS.Wittek, WITTEK @sunlife.com. You can check me out on Instagram as well. It's at It's Well Planned Wealth. Or on the web. You can search me as Nick Wittek Sun Life, and my website will pop up right there. I'm always more than happy to sit down and have a conversation, just make some recommendations, educate people, and let them know what's available, and find something that's going to fit their goals, needs, and budget.
Beautiful, Nick. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's been an amazing conversation. Thank you.
No problem.